Hey there everybody, I am the Couponing Cat, and I wanted to take a little bit of time to talk about the deals that I've picked up so far this week at Target. This is the week from July 4th, 2021 to July 10th, 2021, and I wanted to start off by talking about this diaper deal that I did. This is based on the gift card promotion for a free $20 Target gift card when you spend $100 more on diapers, wipes, or training pants. I started off by getting these 4 boxes of diapers. Each one of these Pampers boxes were $24.99. The box of Huggies Special Delivery diapers was $23.99. And since that didn't get me to the $100 threshold, I went ahead and I bought Pampers wipes for $1.99. So starting with the box of Huggies Special Delivery, there was a manufacturer digital coupon in the Target app for $4 off one. And in Fetch Rewards, I had an offer for 5,000 points back on one, which is $5. Then moving on to the boxes of Pampers Cruisers, there is one digital manufacturer coupon in the Target app for $3 off one, and then I used 2 manufacturer coupons from a couple of these July P&G inserts for $3 off the second and third box. Then for the Pampers wipes, in that same P&G insert is a coupon for 50 cents off one. They have to be a 56 count or higher. And the one I got is 56 counts. So with the 4 boxes of diapers plus the wipes, my subtotal came to $100.95. After coupons and rolling a $20 Target gift card, it came to $67.45, and then with the $5 back from Fetch Rewards, it was $62.45 for all of these items together. Then there's an offer in Ibotta for the 12-ounce bags of Jet Puffed marshmallows. It's listed as a buy one get one free offer, but it basically gets you $1.68 back on 2 bags. This is for the 12-ounce bags specifically, so you have to make sure that you get the correct size of bag. At my store, these were priced for $1.59 each, and with that $1.68 back on the 2 of them, these were 75 cents per bag. Then we have a deal on these core bars. These were priced at $2.49 each. In your Target Circle app, you will find an offer for 50% off when you buy $5 worth of core oat bars. In my Ibotta app, I have an offer for $1.25 back on one peanut butter chocolate core bar, and I have an offer for $1.25 back on one blueberry banana almond core bar. So with these Ibotta offers combined with that Target Circle offer, when you buy 3, these will be $1.23 for all 3, or just 41 cents per bar. Now, some people might find that they have a free after rebate in Ibotta for the peanut butter chocolate ones, and maybe they don't have any rebate offers at all for the blueberry banana one. But if you buy 3 bars and you make sure that one is the peanut butter chocolate one, then it's still going to be the same deal. It's still going to come out to 41 cents per bar. The deal that I was hoping to do already this week, but I haven't been able to yet, is this deal scenario where you get a $15 Target gift card when you spend $50 on select household essentials. And I'm hoping to do that later in the week. The reason that I did not do that so far this week is because these coupons for the Tide, Draft, Gain, and products like that were not available in my insert, as you can see, and they were not available online yet. But as of Tuesday, July 6th, it looks like they are now available on the P&G website. So if you did not get these in your insert as well, and you go to pggoodeveryday.com, you should be able to print off one of whichever coupon you want. Just be sure to use them pretty much within 24 hours of printing them, or they will expire. Be sure you're subscribed to my channel so you don't miss any future deals, and thanks for watching. And until next time, let's go out and get those deals.